Hello everyone, my name is Nubia. I am from Brazil. I live in Salvador. Salvador was the first capital of Brazil when it was Portugal colony. I love to live here because I have a lot of things to do. The, it is my husband. His name is Pedro. We have been married for 31 years. My husband loves to serve in the church. He is the first counselor of mission. He is my son and his wife and his daughter. He was also a missionary in the South Brazil, and her wife also served the mission too. Here is my grandchild. She is 9 years month, and she is so cute. Uh, she is my middle daughter. She got married 1 month ago, and it was an important moment in our family, and there's an amazing time. She is also served the mission in Hawaii, and her husband served the mission in Brazil, Cuiabá mission. She is my younger daughter and her boyfriend, and sometimes we have a fun time, enjoying time together, mainly going to the beach and have a great day there. We love to go to the temple. Temple is a part of our life and part of our family life too. This picture we took in 2016. We went to USA, and this temple is the Fort Lauderdale Temple. It's an amazing place, and we love to do this when we are on vacation too. One of my best experience at church is served as a director couple of FSY. We have been in this calling 5 times, and this will be the 60th the next year. And this was in 2016, and this was this year. We have 520 youths, and you have 60 leaders that help us in this calling. One of my favorite things to do when I am in free time is go to the beach. I love to take pictures, and you have a lot of amazing beaches here in Salvador. The result of my learning style is concrete sequential thinker. I'm not surprised about it. It's really matched with me because I really like to make sequences, to make schedules, lists, and to make me to feel and understand the things that I need, the theory or something like that. And I really like to study in a quiet environment. It's really true, so I'm not surprised. I really am surprised that it's matched with me really good. So I am so happy to be in this classroom, and I know that we are learning from my colleagues. Thank you for listening to me.